Thutha wa mawakiri a mĩena ĩrĩa yandikithitie ciira wa kuregana na maumirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu kumurika Muikariri gitu wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati. Ta gukorwo ariwe wathogire maumirira ma githurano umuthi, Chebukati ni ageire na mweke wa gwitetera kumana na thitango ino riri ciira uyu wingirire thiku ya keri ya guthikiririo umuthi.
Sworn affidavits who are not available.
Kuhitukira wakiri wake Githumu Igai, Chebukati augite mawakiri a mwena wa thitango matire na wuira muiganu igoti-ini niguo gucungiriria gukanjwo gwa githurano. Noguo ciira uyu wagirirwo ni guteanirio kuona githurano kiari kia uma na waragania.
Was it a perfect election? No. Because there is nothing like a perfect election. This is an election conducted by human beings, and there are human errors within the electoral process. Where the few errors that are admitted by IEBC of a magnitude to allow this court to set aside the election, it is our humble submission that the answer is no.
Magitemania wuira wao mawakiri a miena itiganite iria yandikithitie ciira uyu marathingatire igoti rinyite Chebukati na mahitia ma gukorwo agararire watho kumana na guthogwo gwa githurano, na makiria marori igoti rimuikie nja wa IEBC kana wabici ingi o yothe ya muingi ihoya riria Chebukati ateanirie ta gukorwo riri mugaru na gatiba.
It is said that he should be removed from office and forbidden from ever holding public office. And I want to ask my learned colleagues, for the petitioners, is that really a serious submission when the Constitution itself contains complex processes of the removal of a person? He is now to be removed here by reference to affidavits of hearsay on the back of hearsay?
Ciĩgiĩ itua rĩa kwaga kwanĩrĩrwo kwa maumirira kuma icigo mbunge 27, Chebukati ni ekuruhanĩtie ngũĩ iria cieyumĩrire nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya Bomas of Kenya, akiuga ciatuthurirwo na kĩoneki gĩa gũthararia mĩhang'o ya ũtari wa kura na kwanĩrĩrwo kwa mũhotani wa gĩthurano.
And it cannot fall from the lips of those people who tried to stop that process to come before you and say the results of 27 constituents were not publicly announced, and yet you are the one who precipitated a situation where there was disorder, there was chaos. And this chairperson and the members of the commissions were now in fear for their lives. How do you tell them to still turn up and come and undertake an act that you have prevented from happening?
Itua rĩa makamishna na IEBC kwĩyeheria na gũthiĩ kuregana na maumirira ma gĩthurano narĩo nĩ rĩteanĩirio nĩ Chebukati, akiuga kuma kĩambĩrĩria kĩa ũtari wa maumirira makamishna aya nĩ makuruhanĩtio nginya ndagĩka ya mũthia kũrĩa meyeheririe thutha wa kuregana na mendekithia mao ma gũthoga maumirira ma gĩthurano.
Integrity is not numbers. Integrity is not numbers. And that's why the great statesman said, I protest even if I do so alone. To do the right thing does not require you to be with the majority. It requires you to be with your conscience.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Maura, Wagunya.